Welcome to your economic update for the week starting June 10th, 2024. This week, we'll delve into the major economic events in Europe, the UK, and the USA and how they might impact key currency pairs like GBP, USD, EURUSD, and EURGBP. Let's start with Europe, where several critical economic reports are expected. On June 12th, we'll see the release of the Euro area industrial production data for April. This report measures the change in the total inflation-adjusted value of output produced by manufacturers, mines, and utilities across the Eurozone. Strong industrial production numbers can signal economic strength in the Eurozone, potentially boosting the euro. This could positively impact the EUR-USD pair, pushing it higher, and might also strengthen the euro against the pound, affecting EURGBP. Next, on June 11th, we have Germany's ZEW Economic Sentiment for June. This index gauges the economic outlook of institutional investors in Germany for the next 6 months. A higher-than-expected reading is seen as positive for the euro, which could bolster the EUR-USD and may influence the EUR-GBP pair, depending on the relative economic data from the UK. Turning to the United Kingdom, we have significant data releases coming up. On June 12th, the UK will release its monthly GDP data for April. This report shows the change in the total value of goods and services produced by the UK economy. A strong GDP reading would likely boost the pound, positively impacting the GBPUSD pair and potentially strengthening the pound against the euro in the EURGBP pair. On the same day, we'll also see the UK manufacturing production data for April. This indicator measures the change in the total inflation-adjusted value of output produced by manufacturers. Positive manufacturing data can indicate economic health, which could strengthen the pound, impacting GBP, USD, and EURGBP. In the United States, several critical economic reports are scheduled. On June 11, the U.S. Consumer Price Index, or CPI, for May will be released. The CPI measures the change in the price of goods and services from the perspective of the consumer. Higher inflation can lead to expectations of interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, strengthening the USD. This could push the EUR-USD lower and might also influence the GBP-USD pair, depending on the relative strength of the pound. On June 13th, we'll get the U.S. initial jobless claims report. This weekly report indicates the number of people filing for unemployment benefits for the first time. Lower than expected claims can signal a strong labor market, potentially boosting the USD and impacting both EUR-USD and GBP-USD. Finally, on June 14th, the U.S. retail sales report for May will be released. This report measures the total receipts of retail stores and is a key indicator of consumer spending. Strong retail sales can indicate economic growth, potentially strengthening the USD, which would impact EUR-USD and GBP-USD. These economic events are set to impact major currency pairs significantly. For GBP-USD, the UK's GDP and manufacturing production data will be crucial. Strong UK data could boost the pound, while strong US data, particularly the CPI and retail sales, might strengthen the dollar, potentially balancing or shifting the pair. EUR-USD will be influenced by the Eurozone's industrial production and Germany's economic sentiment. Positive Eurozone data can support the euro, while robust US economic indicators can strengthen the USD, affecting the pair dynamics. For EURGBP, the relative strength between UK and Eurozone economic data will dictate movements. Strong data from either side will likely sway the pair in favor of the stronger economy. That's your economic calendar update for the week starting June 10th, 2024. Stay informed with the latest financial insights by liking, subscribing, and following us. Thanks for watching.